Hey friends, we are actually at a Walmart in Statesville, North Carolina. We're here to start our work camping job tomorrow at the JCPenney warehouse here, and we just pulled out of Walmart. Well, we pulled out of our parking space and Dean said, I don't have any steering. I don't have any brakes. He was really struggling controlling the truck, so he pulled it over and looked underneath, and this is what we've got. Now, Dean is pretty good at looking stuff up and figuring stuff out and fixing stuff, but this one looks pretty rough. I don't know. I know he's been on his phone doing some research, so we don't know what's going on, but we'll try to figure it out, and hopefully we can start work tomorrow because, you know, we count on our seasonal jobs. So we'll get it figured out and let you guys know what's going on. Okay, tell me what you want me to do.
Start it up. I'm gonna probably cut you off pretty quick, but we just need to see where it's coming from.
Yeah. So Dean just wants me to pull the truck forward a little bit. You can leave the hood up. You want me to back it up? I have no steering at all and very little brakes. I had no steering and I had to push on the brakes really hard. You want me to turn it off?
Wait. There's no power steering fluid at all in any way, shape, or form, so that's why we have no power steering. So something happened and I just don't know what it was.
Yeah, even before we left Missouri a few weeks ago, we had a complete overhaul pretty much done on this thing. They checked everything and we spent a ton of money getting all the kinks worked out, you know, all the little things. So it's not that she's not cared for. I don't know what's going on.
All right, so we've just got to call a mobile mechanic and have them come up here and look at this.
Okay, friends, so my husband actually called the leader of our local congregation at church. Even though we just got here and we've only been to church one time, we haven't even met anybody there, but he called and our bishop gave a suggestion on who to call. So we did that. So we've got somebody coming. I went back into Walmart and returned all of our frozen and refrigerated stuff. I picked up a couple of salads so that we could have some lunch before they come and tow us to the mechanics. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I'm saying hopefully it's not too bad, but it looks pretty bad, guys. We need a quick fix though, because I mean, we're hoping for a quick fix, but because like I said, we start work tomorrow and we need to work. So we'll keep you updated. Look at poor little Bridget up there all by herself. Probably all nervous and everything.
So, anyway, evidently the hose had, an O-ring had let loose where it tightened into the reservoir. This truck doesn't have a vacuum brake system. It has what they call a hydro boost. So the power steering pump supplies the power to your brakes. And the fitting is swivels, allows you to. And what do you got going on, Chris? We're multitasking. But it caused a leak. And then we went through, how long have you been here? What time did you get here, Mr. Grassi? You know?
It's about around noon.
Around noontime, it's almost 6 o'clock today, and he's been such a patient customer. While they sent about 8 power steering hoses, this guy tried as best he could. Finally, some girl got a better part than him that fit. But so actually, the job called for 2 hours of labor, and they spent 6 hours with us here at A&A Sales in Statesville, North Carolina, home of your good time auto deals and repairs. Google us on A&A and check my reviews. I don't get a credit card number on the camera. Yeah.
All right. After 5 hours and 3 or 4 hoses that they ordered, we finally got the right hose. They got it installed. We're back on the road again. So
I guess it was a pretty tricky hose, but they, you know, they did a good job. I guess they did the best job they could. Well,
we consider ourselves blessed because it happened so close to this place. So
yeah.
You know, and glad we weren't pulling a trailer or something else, you know, as we were heading down the road when this happened. So
yeah, good people, and you know, stuff happens and it's all good. We're back on the road.
Let's go.